There is a mystery beating within you right now, closer than your thoughts, closer than your name, closer even than your story. You call it life. The sages call it consciousness. And Nisargadatta Maharaj points directly to its source. The movement of prana and the movement of consciousness are not different. Watch your breathing. Without the vital life force, the feeling I am will not be there. Consciousness in the body is the characteristic guna of prana. Before you say, I am this person, there is simply the feeling I am, pure existence, unadorned, untouched. And yet, most of humanity spends its life decorating an image, polishing an identity, defending a personality. But the self requires none of this. Once you have realized the self, that is, self-realized, it is not at all necessary to put on a special pose. That would be a sign of ignorance. To grow a beard, to look impressive, etc., is tied to body consciousness, identity with the body. They are not the characteristics of the self. The truth does not need a costume. It does not need recognition. It does not need to appear spiritual, because what you truly are cannot be improved and cannot be diminished. Yet the mind continues searching for visions, for extraordinary experiences, for mystical states. But Nisargadatta warns, the concept that you may take for your meditation will be realized and you will have visions accordingly. However, they are all unreal. All experiences come and all experiences go, no matter how beautiful, no matter how profound, because there is no approach comparable to listening to such talks. Once you listen to this, liberation is within reach, not merely hearing, but truly listening so deeply that every false identity begins to crumble. What moves is not eternal. Thoughts move, emotions move, the body moves, even consciousness appears with the body. But the manifest principle has movement, but the unmanifest does not. It is without qualities, silent, changeless, beyond all opposites, beyond existence and non-existence. That is your true nature. And so, there is no need to wage war against the ego. Nisargadatta gives a beautiful example. As old age comes, childhood and youth go away automatically. It is not necessary to renounce them with purpose. Similarly, your ego should naturally disappear. Naturally, as understanding deepens, as attachment weakens, as truth becomes more obvious than illusion. For everything that appears is temporary. No experience is lasting. There is no creator of the world, nor is there a sustainer, nor a destroyer. All happens spontaneously. What we know becomes the source of our happiness or sorrow. That which is not known to us cannot be the source of our happiness or sorrow. The world of suffering is born from identification. The world of fear is born from concepts, because mind is the concept and concept is the mind. The concept gives birth to whatever it likes. Such is the kingdom of the mind. Thought creates worlds, concept creates identities, belief creates bondage, but there is something untouched by all of it. The self has no association. And finally, when one understands the concept, simultaneously one realizes that which is without concepts. Beyond mind, beyond ego, beyond experience, there is only that, and that is what you have always been.